welcome to a new video. It's been a while. Well, the end of December I got sick, so it took me some time to get better. And so here we are. It's still January, so I guess it's still the right time to show you what I got from art supplies during the holidays and the art supplies that I bought myself. So here we go. Welcome. If you're new here, my name is Kelly and I'm a mixed media artist from Belgium. So welcome. Okay, so you all, yeah, well, probably not all, but for those who have seen the video from the Meeden unboxings, those were all shorts and I put them on each day, so there are 24 of those. And yeah, these of course were some art supplies from 2025. Let me put the light better. Yeah, that's a bit better, isn't it? I hope. So yeah, I'm really glad with everything that was in there. I have painted a little tree here. I used the white acrylic paint that was in there, the heavy body, and I created a bit of texture. I'm not sure if the camera is picking it up, but anyway, I also tried this little sketchbook for just these two swatches, the acrylic markers and the watercolor. This is the watercolor. Well, I'm happy with it, but the colors are a bit, I kind of hoped that would be a bit more bright, more vibrant, but excuse me, but they are not. Same for the acrylic markers, they look pretty good. So yeah, I'm quite happy with them. And as you can, and this little tree here, I did the painting with the acrylic markers. So let me put that over there. So yeah, if you hadn't seen it, this is the tote bag that was in there. Pretty nice. I have used it already. The acrylic markers. As I said, I was pretty happy with those. And this is the heavy body white paint, the titanium white, and I used it on the tree over there. I have not played around with anything else yet because there were so many art supplies, and you know, as I said at the beginning, I've been sick for a while. So the brushes, yeah, those are the brushes. And then watercolor paper was in there, a little canvas and a little easel, stickers, a pin, a clip. This, well, the only thing I can say about this one, it should have been opened like this. Now you pin it on something and it's upside down, you know. Yeah, just a minor thing. These little clips here, I really like these. So I'm just showing it again for people who haven't seen the videos. These are oil-based colored pencils. As you can see, I haven't been able to test these out. The Meeden watercolor postcards. Really nice. They have a beautiful edge on them. And oh yeah, and this little thing here, it's magnetic. So and some wooden slices, and that was all that was in the Meeden advent calendar. So I'm really pleased with everything. But as I said, I haven't been able to play around with everything yet, but I will eventually. So yeah, let me put this all back. And it was a nice box as well, so if you're curious on how that one looked, you can always check the videos and look back at it. And then I got 2 restocks. I have already used these because I needed them for a painting. And this is the acrylic markers from Edding. And I had the yellow, green and the chocolate brown. And these were refills of restocks, I should say. And I also got the neon orange, because this one was not available when I ordered the other neon colors that I have. I like working a lot with these, with this brand. Then the new things that I got, this is a pencil eraser. I got 3 of them from Faber Castell. This one has a nice brush. As you can hear, it's quite sturdy. Doesn't say much else on it. And then these are both the same ones. So I have the 7058B and the 7056. So that's these. And I also invested in a brush cleaner. This is 100% vegan. I already used it. It smells really nice. There's kind of a citrus smell to it. So, and it's from Tritart or something. But I will link everything if I can find it on Amazon. It will be linked in the description below. So that way, if you like to buy it, you can do the same. This I got for my Daniel Smith watercolors. I also got this on Amazon. It has a nice swatch card in it and 36 little pens. So I have to put it back together. I see it's falling apart. But it said this was handmade, so see this little one here. It's not been. I have to put this down a bit and then yeah. It will be okay. Then I found these Giorgione, and these are watercolor brushes. I found these on several different websites actually. See? And it has a number 2, a very fine one. Number 5 quill, number 2, and a number 2. Yeah, a smaller one. And a 1. I don't really get why they put these in. It's a little bit confusing, but anyway. Then they have this number 14 with short hairs. It's quite soft. Then this one. Oh, maybe it's... Oh, that's a mop. This one, yeah. These are just rounds. But some people call these quills. This is a scruffy. Then this is a filbert, number 14. A slant, number 12. And then you have this one, a feather. Oh, it has like 2 different, yeah, I like that. And a flat, a 1 inch. So yeah. And as I said, I will link everything in the description of the video. But these were quite expensive on Amazon. So yeah, just letting you know. Then I had this. I already took the packaging off. It's from Rowney. And these are brushes for acrylic and oil painting. So you have a number 4 round. You have a bright number 4 and a bright 8, a round 16 and a bright 16. And then these are quite soft, but this, yeah, these are for oil painting. So this is a number 2 flat, a number 6 round, a number 4 bright, a number 6 filbert, and a number 8 flat. So, and they're quite big, as you can see. So, and I like it that they're quite sturdy. So yeah, that's these. I am gonna take them out of this because yeah, I will not use it. Same for this one, even though this is made of leather, but yeah, I never keep it in there, so I always take them out. Let me see if we can keep putting everything into the frame. I also got these, the Meeden 4-pack 10 by 10 inches studio painting panels, sorry, natural birch wood. And yeah, I was actually looking for these wooden, I call them wooden canvases, looking for these, but like this would be the thickness that I want, not this. And apparently they are difficult to find. So yeah, I will put some things on here. You can still see it, right? So that's that. Then I got me some oil paints from Royal Talents, the Cobra oil paints. They are water mixable. So this one is a starter set. It's and it's the artist line. It's the professional ones that I have. And it contains a, let me see where the name is, a titanium white, the permanent yellow light, pyrrole red deep, the cobalt blue, and it's and it also says ultramarine, and the permanent green deep. They all have light fastness rating of 3, and the white is completely opaque. All the others are semi. So yeah, that's the starter set. And of course I got more than just a starter set. Yeah, it doesn't matter what order I'm doing this, right? I also got the indigo, the permanent red light. This was the deep, raw sienna, permanent orange, Naples yellow light. That's a color I really like. Naples yellow, Payne's gray, burnt umber, yellowish green, Indian yellow, my favorite yellow. And light gold. This is the only metallic that I got. So yeah, these are all the things that I bought myself. Or that I got from my husband. Because he also has a say in it, of course. Let me see. This is going in, yeah. Yeah. Here we are. And then I got two amazing gifts from my sister and her husband. The first one are these Aquamarkers from DécoTime. I already have a bunch of them, but these have new colors in them. So yeah, there are a few new colors in these. So that's good. And the other ones, well, they are refills, so. And I also got this, a table easel from Bleiswijck. Let me take this one out. Sorry for the noise, I have another table next to me here where I have everything on. So yeah, I don't know if I can I zoom out? No. So it's quite thick and it has a handle here on this side. So hold on. But anyway, that was all of the things that the extra art supplies, the holiday gifts. Yeah. So it's not even fitting in the frame. I got so much. But anyway, that was it for this video. A bit chaotic. I've been out of it for a little while, so I'm sorry about that. But anyway, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, and all of the things will be listed in the description of the video, if I'm able to find them, of course. And the things that are in the local store, like this, I will link the local store. People here in Belgium and the Netherlands and all here in Europe will know Action. That's the store where these markers and the table easel are sold. So and I checked just a few days ago and they still have both of them in stock, so you can still buy them. And they have more sets of this. This is just one of the sets, the marker, but I have different ones. So anyway, that's it. So oh, and if you haven't subscribed to the video, to my channel, yeah, to the video, you can subscribe to the video. But yeah, sorry. As I said, I've been out of it for a while, and it's weird to be back, but I'm looking forward to it, so we'll see. Oh yeah, I did order another thing. I ordered a bigger tripod so I can film myself on my standing spot, because I'm doing more over there than I am doing here on the table. So, and I want to share that too. So anyway, thank you for watching, and yeah, I will see you in the next one. Bye.